it's a nice location.
You get more benefits here. The Mombasa site is smaller and tighter.
The Marines landed. They walked up on that beach. And it's gone there.
On CNN, that's right.
Those circuits there. Here we've got the opportunity to lay the brace out like a proper transport. Yes, I understand.
Turned it around.
Yeah.
Started the 100-day program.
So where did it go?
Oh yes, we're doing 4 times the super stackers, yes.
You can stack them 4.
No, they can stack 5 high actually, but the short transit. The model actually enables us to save millions of dollars in construction costs.
How do we see it?
So we're talking bulk, but to coordinate that we have to work very closely.
Need to talk to the DSG about the integrated aspects of this. Maybe you can talk a little bit about that without.
Sure.
We've got.
Sorry to stop
Yeah,
you.
we just greet you. Good to see you, Doctor. Good to see you all. See you.
We have we are controlling supplies for the level 2s by their company. So they make requisitions based on the needs. That in the kits, we always make a special request to they come when they are already prepared. So when they reach here, we now
transfused blood with
Yeah, if the months we have stop for 95 minutes. So excited.
So I
RMSI. Alpha on the
Patient Dean that needs to be resuscitated on the operating room table, they can make a left turn into the OR and be resuscitated at the surgery.
Do you have your own ambulances?
Yes, right outside. There are 4 beds, but we can expand them. So totally, the whole hospital has 20 beds potentially.
These days, it's just been going up.
Yeah, it's been going almost 500%. Like I said, when we started, I was actually here. We admitted 2 here, and our team operated on 1 with their team together.
But is there?
We suspect that's where it was. Yeah. Yeah, though we recently had the evacuation of Moscow. Yeah, I think there was 14 wounded from the recent.
Nagakan Hospital in Mata Hospital. So the patient gets care there.
For like in so etc. So we take care of the whole camp.
You had a serious.
Yeah, the cars is over here. The ambulances.
And thank you very much for coming. It's very kind of your issues and points for the Deputy Secretary to say something, and then we'll probably just go around and you'll introduce yourselves, your organisations, and the overseas, the political and security. Minister of Sweden, all the jobs. The most senior international figure to come to Somalia and task, collective and shared task to
arrimaha Swahili coordination-ka ah ninka u sarreeya idintaba waa mahadsan.
Secretary General and Philippe Lazzarini, the Resident and Humanitarian Coordinator, and only to tell you how very happy I am to meet with you. I have worked in many functions in the United Nations, and I have very strong memories from working in Somalia and with Somalia in the early 90s during the nightmare of the conflict that tore your nation apart. And I saw the suffering of your people 20 years ago, and I have very vivid memories of that.
Aniga u daneynayaan arrimaha Soomaaliya loona garab taagan yahay.
So very much welcome.